So at Superior Van & Mobility, we specialize in wheelchair accessible vehicles and also adaptive equipment to aid people that may have a difficulty or disability in remaining independent and driving their vehicles and transportation. There are a couple of types of devices. There are always various sizes and shapes. Some people use power chairs, some people use scooters. And it comes down to an evaluation process that we do. We can take a look at, if they're looking to transport that, we can look at their vehicle and we'll find out if any one of our suppliers has a product that would match up to their vehicle. Not all vehicles will work with a lift, so that's an important part of the process. We have a team dedicated to make sure that we get all the information about the scooter and the vehicle, but also too, the physical ability of the user. So just because we have a solution that would work for the vehicle doesn't mean they're physically able to operate that. So we really don't want to offer them a solution that may not work for them and creating an unsafe condition. So there is one, it's called a platform lift. And that's just where they'll drive the device right onto a platform and it picks it up. Now there are two different kinds. There are kinds that go inside the vehicle, which is nice if there's any kind of weather or raining, the stuff's gonna be dry. Downside of that, you lose your storage space in the back. So when the scooter's in there, not much room for anything else. We also have hitch-mounted exterior platform lifts. Again, drive right on, it picks it up, and they're able to get in the vehicle and drive on down the road. As simple as it's a switch, an up and down switch. There are some that require a strap, so we have to make sure we have the dexterity and the strength and the reach to secure the device, because the last thing we want is it to fall off the back while you're going down the road. So, and that's all part of the evaluation process to make sure they're able to operate the equipment efficiently and safely. There is a device that's called a chariot, and it's a self-supported lift on its own set of wheels, and it attaches to a hitch that we install on the vehicle. So there are solutions for sedans, but again, that's where we reach out to our specialists and we'll find out if your vehicle is available for that unit. As far as insurance goes, we do a lot of work with the Medicaid waiver program. So that's a great source of funding. We all ask our clients to reach out to their Medicaid counselor to find out if they're available for that program. So Superior Van & Mobility, we have a dedicated department just for lifts. You can call into our 800 number. We can get you directed right to the lift department. You can speak to them over the phone. They'll be able to answer any questions that you have about it, and they'll ask you certain questions about your make and model of your vehicle, what type of device you have, just to make sure we can have the right fit and we have the right product that they can use. Now, if there's not a solution possible, we have the ability to look at wheelchair accessible vans, which allow access to drive the scooter power chair directly into the vehicle. So if we can't find a solution on one side of the lift, we can always find one on the other. Our website is superiorvan.com. You'll see we have 17 locations all throughout the Midwest. So that's great. We can service you here closely here in town, or if you're out traveling, you certainly look us up and we can help you out there.